students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. Our first question is, every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1, 2q plus 2, 2q plus 4 or 2q, where q is a positive integer. So let's see. For example, our odd integers we know is 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. And even integers are 2, 4, 6 and so on. So one pattern that we can see is odd integer is nothing but even integer plus 1. See 2 plus 1, 3, a odd integer, 4 plus 1, 5, a odd integer and so on. So I can tell even number plus 1 is equals to odd number. Correct? And even number, see, if you see a pattern in even number, it is a multiple of 2. It is a multiple of 2. So even number can be written as 2 times some number p plus 1 is equals to odd number. So odd number will be of form of 2p plus 1. So are you seeing any form like this here? Yes, 2q plus 1 is in the same form as 2p plus 1, where q is a positive integer. Thank you. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.